Lemon balm tea is a delightful herbal infusion that's perfect for soothing your mind and body. In today's video, we'll show you how to prepare this aromatic tea in just 5 simple steps. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this calming ritual. Have you ever felt the need to unwind after a long day, but struggled to find a natural remedy that works? Lemon balm tea, known for its relaxing properties, could be your perfect solution. With its subtle citrusy flavor and calming benefits, it's a great way to rejuvenate your spirit. Many people overlook the simplicity and benefits of brewing fresh herbal teas at home. Whether it's the confusion of where to start or how to bring out the best flavors, making tea might seem daunting, but don't worry, we're here to make it easy and enjoyable for you. To get started, all you need are fresh or dried lemon balm leaves, hot water, and a few minutes of your time. First, pick or measure about 2 teaspoons of dried leaves, or a small handful of fresh ones. Gently rinse the fresh leaves under cool water to ensure they're clean. Next, heat your water to just before boiling around 80 to 90 degrees Celsius. Place the lemon balm in your cup or teapot, then pour the hot water over it. Cover it to trap the steam, allowing the leaves to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Once the time is up, strain the tea if needed and enjoy it warm or over ice. The moment you take your first sip, you'll feel the soothing effects of lemon balm. Its natural compounds work to calm your nerves and promote relaxation, making it a perfect choice for stress relief or a good night's sleep. Brewing your own tea at home not only gives you control over the quality of ingredients, but also creates a mindful moment to cherish. Why not try this simple recipe today and let the tranquility of lemon balm elevate your day? If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more easy and relaxing recipes. Share your thoughts or experiences with lemon balm tea in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.